Okay, day 4. Today is Thursday, and we cleared this one, the entrance more today, and now it's a lot bigger than yesterday. We cleared it from this rock here pretty much all the way to here. So this is the new clearing we did today. We got another maybe 20 feet in north from the other day clearing. So which is good. That makes the yard a lot bigger than before, than yesterday, whatever. So they took some loads out today. I think maybe 4 truck in-dump load today, and they're gonna work tomorrow, Friday and Saturday also. So that's gonna be good. So more loads going out. The yard is bigger than yesterday, you know. So they're going to put some dirt here and make it smoother, wider turn.